Hi, my name is Luda. I'm Cultural Coordinator at EAC, and welcome to our educational training. We provide this training and specifically design those sessions for families who are adapting from Russia. Let's take a look at map of Russia Federation. As you can see, land is pretty wide and it's 2.5 larger than United States. There are two parts in Russia. One part is located on European part of Russia, and it is before mountains of Ural. And after that we have Siberian part, which is cover that part of map. As you can see, we have most region our families adapting from pointed on a map on European part of Russia. That means at some point you will travel to Moscow. Moscow is very busy and the largest city of Russia Federation. About 11.5 million people live in Moscow. Congratulations on accepting of your referral from Russia. Now it's time to take our cultural session number 1. Let me give you highlights of the session. We will learn about Russian cooking recipes for kids. We will learn about Russia in specific of your region you're adapting from. I suggest you start making a picture album for your child. I want you to include picture of you, your home, and maybe if you have pets in your family, picture of your pet. But please do not overwhelm child with too many pictures. Be straight to the point. Child wants to see picture of mama and papa and whom he is going to be living with. So also size of picture album important. It have to be suitable for child hands. So something like I am holding in my hand would be good example for you to buy. And plastic cover would be also good idea, since that album going to be you will live in orphanage for your child to enjoy. And you at what point you leaving this picture album with your child? When at the end of your first trip, when you are sure that child is yours, and you have love for that child and you want to adopt this child, that would be time for you to leave picture album behind you. So let me just give you an example of what is in that picture. Basically saying it's you, picture of you, your home, and that would be enough for the child to enjoy looking at picture after you left and getting ready after you left first trip. Let me give you a couple of suggestions what to wear in Russia. Of course, it's always going to be depend of a region you're going to, because the weather can be different from region to region. But general idea is you need to be comfortable in the orphanage while you're playing with child. Inside of buildings in Russia, temperature always hot. It's hot in the summertime. There is no air condition in orphanage. It is also hot in the winter time because of temperature inside of buildings are going to be mid to high 80s degree. Keeping that in mind, I want you to have layers, but code for your dress is casual. You do not need to wear any dressy clothes at this point. You need to be casual, but not too casual. You're going to be holding your child, you're going to be sit down with child and even play sitting down on the floor to play with child, having good time. So you do not need to worry about being too dressed up for occasion. Before our in-country coordinator will take you to orphanage, you will make a very important stop in adoption center. In adoption center, you're going to be signing permission to go to orphanage. After you sign permission to go to orphanage, you will be taken to orphanage. In an orphanage, you will meet a doctor of orphanage and social worker, and it would be time for you to go ahead and meet your child. Please use that opportunity wisely and be ready for your first important meeting in the orphanage. It may take about 2.5 hour ride from the adoption center to the orphanage, depend of region you're adopting from. So at the very first day, you will be meeting doctor of orphanage, social worker, and very important, your child. Please be prepared for it. I would like you to take some toys, treats, and of course you're bringing a picture album for your child to enjoy looking at picture of you and home. So what kind of toys I would suggest you to bring? You can take a couple of pieces of toys to the orphanage. Age-appropriate toys would be wisely recommended. In the same time, just keep in mind that washable toys would be preferable. Educational toys such as puzzles, and of course something you can play together and conduct that special feeling to the child, such as baby brush. When you combing child hair and let child do the same, that definitely participate in your mother and father and child feeling. Speaking with doctor of orphanage and social worker, I want you to introduce yourself, to be very friendly and polite. In the same time, please use this opportunity to learn about child from first hands. They're open to share with you information on a child where, you know, for the time being, for the time a child being under their supervision. This is for you an opportunity to learn about child habits, about child likes, dislikes, and as well as his menus. After your first day at the orphanage, you're going to be leaving to your hotel where you're staying comfortably, and you will have opportunity to communicate with your international adoption specialist here in the United States by providing your chosen doctor with information you learn about child, with the pictures you will be able to take in orphanage of your child, and also to share with your doctor your personal interaction with your child. So make sure that your international adoption specialist is aware of your travel time and will get back to you on timely manner, because of in most cases at least 8 hours differences will be involved in time differences if you're traveling around Moscow and regions around Moscow, but even more if you're traveling to regions of Siberia. So after your first day, you will get rest. You will be able to have dinner at the restaurant. You're staying in a hotel. You will be able to pay for your dinner by using Master or Credit card. Hi-Fi always available in Russia. Most cases it is free to use in your hotel room, or charges are very mild and affordable. So next day you will be going orphanage again to spend time with your child, to play with child, and again to learn about child and child habit. So please use that time wisely, and overall please use your time being in Russia as educational experience. So please do not look for a McDonald's or Starbucks or anything like that, but rather use opportunity to try Russian cuisine. It is very important to understand child food. So you will see as you experiencing in differences, so your child will be experiencing differences. So your learning experience in Russia will add to your education about Russia and about child. So now you're getting ready to sign referral, and you will be taken to court building where you're signing acceptance of referral, and you will be getting ready to go home. That would be task of your first cultural session and first trip to Russia. Thank you.